Good afternoon, Grow Me. Got a mail call from Growing Old. I was lucky enough to win one of his giveaways. Popped in just in time. I mean, right before he hit the spinner. I lucked out like a bandit. You're next, Miss K. I'm gonna get your mail call out tomorrow. I gotta find some time for some shenanigans. You know I can't let you get off that easy. Oh, I gotta get the shit show here first. Get Miss K's Rising Shiva skeleton the hell out of here. Get my scrubs down. All the other 10-gallon pots are gonna come in here. And the biggest one of my 4 groomies is gonna get the 15-gallon pot. I hope you get it, Miss K. I'll have more fun spanking your little lady's ass. Yeah. Let's see what we got here. I appreciate you, Jeff and Wendy. I got 2 hours to get busy out here. I've got about 2 hours a damn day to get this shithole tightened up. I got a shit show everywhere. Too many. Ooh, what we got here? Some Durban poison films. Sounding right chunky. Hell yeah. Oh, I'm fiddle farting. Fumble hands. Hell yeah. Give me some more Maggie Nets. Some more slappity slaps. Oh, these are magnets. Hell yeah. Thank you, Jeff and Wendy. And thank you for your support. I don't know about staying out of trouble. I tried. Growing old. I'll try. Yeah. Holy fuck, let me get around front here. I gotta get this in the house immediately. Hell yeah. Should have did this one naked. Could have lowered it on down there. Yeah. I appreciate the hell out of that, Jeff. Hell yeah. I'm gonna hang this up in my grow room or somewhere. Hanging up in the kitchen as my backdrop when I'm doing lives. It's gonna come in handy, I know that. I'm gonna make good use out of it. I appreciate you very much. I'll show you a little bit of my shit show. I got a 10-gallon pot back there on the well top. This winter I went to pull it off so I could turn my damn plug my heater and stuff in there on the well, and it was froze to the damn well top, and I ripped that pot. So I got 10 gallons of soil and a pile of soil over here and some big pots. I'll show you what I got. And then I gotta get to clean it up. Okie dokie. These are all my root balls from the winter grow, indoor grow. And then this was that, all that soil I buried a pile of fish guts in. And I dug around in there. I don't see, it broke it all down. And I've kept this all covered up with a holy ass tarp, so hopefully it's it should be cat shit void. As long as I cover it back up when I end this video. But yeah, we're gonna get busy. I'll see you back out here tomorrow. I'd like to go live, but it ain't gonna be no music. Let me know what you think in the comment sections. I'll fucking throw up a live and just work on my shit out here in the yard. Howdy, duty. I appreciate you muchly. I'm out of here. Peace.